Hi, welcome to Crash Course. Today we're going to be talking about ratio problems. Ratios can be written in several different ways. To name a couple, you can do it with a colon. You can do it with the word 2 in between. Okay. What you are basically saying here is that for every multiple of 3 things, you're going to have a multiple of 4 things. And any multiple of numbers has to stay in that ratio. So what a ratio is basically saying is that for any number of A, there has to be a specific number of B. So this is how it would normally look in a question. Let's say at a birthday party we have boys and we have girls, but we need to have a specific number of boys for every specific number of girls. Let's give the example of 3 boys for every 4 girls. What it means is that for any final number of boys and any final number of girls, it could be simplified into the ratio of 3 and 4. So let's say I have 19 boys and 27 girls. This doesn't fit the ratio because, first of all, 19 isn't divisible by anything except itself and 1. 27 is divisible by 9 and 3, but it's not going to give you the ratio of 3 and 4. But let's say I have 12 boys and 16 girls. Well, let's test it out. So, we want to get to this ratio of 3 and 4. So 12 to 16, I know that they both have a common factor of 4. You divide out the 4 in each one, it gives us 3 and it gives us 4. So it is in the correct ratio. But what happens if you reverse the 12 and 16? So there are 16 boys and 12 girls. Well, we were just using the same numbers we were using before, right? Not quite. What we've done is we've actually flipped the ratio. You can still divide by 4 on each side, but what it's going to give us is 4 to 3. That's not the same ratio because it's 3 boys for every 4 girls, not 4 boys for every 3 girls. What this is actually saying is 16 boys and 12 girls, which isn't the correct ratio. Don't get caught with that answer. Because a lot of times, you'll see on a multiple choice question, I want something in whatever ratio, and it'll give you 16-12 and 12-16. So, the key thing to remember with a ratio is that it's not an interchangeable set of numbers. Whatever is on the left side must stay on the left side so that your multiple is correct on the left side. Whatever is on the right side needs to be on the right side. Hey, thanks for watching this Crash Course video. To watch the previous video in this series, click here. To watch the next video in this series, click there. If you want to request a video, make sure you put it in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video.